Hi there, thank you for watching the video. We're going to be doing a review of the digital marketing lifestyle. If you get anything from this video, please feel free to subscribe. We'd love to have you watch some of the review videos we see in the future. Make sure that you hang on till the end of this review here, because we're going to be talking about 3 different bonuses for you as well. So here we go.
Many of us got into digital marketing thinking it was going to improve our lives in major ways. You may even feel that you were promised by internet marketing gurus that your life would suddenly be easy once you took up this line of work. Digital marketing means working online, and that in turn means working from anywhere and without a boss. So of course, life would be easy. You can choose your own hours, you can work out of coffee shops or from beautiful locations, and you can do it all your own way, without someone breathing down your neck and shouting at you when you get things wrong. What's more, if you manage to achieve a passive income, then you'll be earning money even while you sleep. Passive income means generating cash from a website or YouTube channel or through affiliate sales. It means that even as you are resting, the seeds you sowed continue to reap their rewards. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you are going to learn how to prevent yourself from going entirely mad when you work from home. You will learn how to avoid the temptation to sit in front of the TV all day. You will learn to avoid the temptation to squeeze in just a bit more work. You are going to learn how to manage your finances, knowing that you're going to have different amounts of money coming in at different times. You will know if you have what it takes to make your own taxes. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing the digital marketing lifestyle, how to manage work-life balance, finances, and more for web workers. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. The challenge of digital marketing. Dreamer, meet reality. Thinking about money and your work-life balance. The problem, getting the system to work for you. Passion versus reality. Why a side project? How to choose between multiple website and brand ideas. Weighing the options. Compromises. Why anyone can run a business online. So just how long does it take? Be a content creator with passion. Content creation with passion. Looking after your health and happiness as a digital marketer. Mental health. The right gear and setup for staying productive. The right hardware. Building a productive home office. Digital nomad. The program. Steps to a better lifestyle. Plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to manage work-life balance, finances, and more for web workers. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to be an internet entrepreneur. You didn't have success with your first few online businesses. You stay up late and give up your free time only for nothing to happen. You want to be the entrepreneur who looks like $1 million. You want to manage work-life balance, finances, and more. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on the matter to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. Although the normal everyday price for this step-by-step guide that would teach you how to manage work-life balance, finances, and more for web workers is $97, but for a limited time, I've slashed the price, and it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, the digital marketing lifestyle cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy to follow steps so that you can make sure that you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, the digital marketing lifestyle mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. This mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, the Digital Marketing Lifestyle Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime, there's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to manage work-life balance, finances, and more. So it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to lock in a huge discount and get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you manage work-life balance, finances, and more. I'll see you on the inside. Many of us got into digital marketing.
All right, guys, and that's what it is. So if you have any questions, please feel free to message below. I will do my best to answer them for you. And obviously the link to the product is below it all. Go ahead, check it out, and hopefully you like what you see. Thank you very much.